I know very well your mobile is completely locked, just like PIN, pattern and password lock with your fingerprint sensor and your face lock also. So hey guys, welcome again in my new video. As you saw in thumbnails, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock your smartphone's PIN, pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure your smartphone is locked due to your forgetted your PIN, pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I know that how can you remove your mobile screen password lock, fingerprint and face lock also. So don't worry at all and watch this video properly till the end. Your smartphone will unlock completely in this video. So further in this video, I will also know that how can you remove your mobile screen in just only 2 minutes without any computer and without any data loss. So before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone should not battery charge less than 30 to 40%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of use this method to unlock your smartphone. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your smartphone will not unlock with this help of this video, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming video also. And for this, you must subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you are if your smartphone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do like the video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next amazing videos to help you further. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your mobile phone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now, you have to use the offline mode, and in this offline mode, first of all, you have to click on the emergency call option here, and this is the emergency call option. And when your emergency call option comes in your mobile screen, I am telling you a secret code to close all your background running application, and you have to use that code, and this code is *5555 *121556369 *1 and #. You can take a screenshot from this page, and now you have to call this code for 3 times. When you start the calling, a call failed pop-up message will come in your mobile screen. You have to ignore this message to click OK, and you have to repeat the same process for 2 times again, means totally 3 times. 2 and 3. After completing this, you have to delete this code from your mobile screen. After that, after completing this process, the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode. You can see that the airplane mode already has been activated in this smartphone. So after activating this, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have completed a stage, and now you have to take a new and most another important step here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. And now you have to use that code to open engineer mode page also. And this code is *899 and #. And as you build by clicking on the last # button, the engineer mode page will be activated in your smartphone. The page of master unlocking will come in your smartphone. Now you have to take some important step here. As you are looking at the number 5 options here, it is showing you the software version option. Now you have to open the software version option again. Now you have to find an option which is named Android version. It has to be clicked as many times as it is written here, meaning you have to click on Android version as many times. For example, if you are showing Android version 10 here, 11 here, 12 here, 13 here, then you have to click it for 10 times, 11 times, 12 times and 13 times. For example, this is Android version 13, so I have to click it for 13 times. Just like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. As soon as this process of your will be completed, now you have to come back from this page. After this, now you have to click on the option above it, that is a manual test option, and this is manual test option. You have to open this option also. Now some new pages will come in your mobile phone. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it from the sidebar, and this is the other page. And now you will see total 5 options here. You have to work in these options very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version 10 times also, and this is the mainboard version. Mainboard version and the database version are the same thing, so I have to click it for 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. After completing this, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. When you open it for the first time, you will be asked to confirm it, but you don't have to confirm it. Click on the cancel button, and you have to repeat the same process for totally 3 times. 2 and 3. But in the 4th time, you have to repeat the same process, but don't click the cancel button, click OK button. After completing this, you can see that your mobile password has gone to the reset mode. Now all you have to do is apply one last method, and your smartphone will be unlocked today. Now you have to go to the go back to the device debugging page, and this is the device debugging page options. And here you will see many options here, but you have to find an option which is named sensor self test and calibration, and this is the sensor self test and calibration option. You have to open this option also, and now you will see some options here like 1 option, 2 option, 3 option and 4 option here. And here all the options are in default operation, not a started mode. You have to start it automatically by touching it like that. And here you will get to see a message of a test pass message. If your test pass message has come, then your work is done. But if you still don't see any test pass message here, and the failure message is coming, so understand till now your test pass will not come here. We'll keep doing this process again and again like that until your single test pass message come in your mobile screen. As you see here, by the way, you will click on the home button here, and you can see that your mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any kind of photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock your mobile screen. If your smartphone is still not unlocked from this method, in that case, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile pin pattern and password lock with fingerprint sensor and face lock. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.